hawak natin yung reagent card ng diluent. Nandito yung lot number and then expiration na and date of manufacturing. So, first, press natin yung menu and then service, and then reagent. Okay. So, mamimili tayo ng reagent name, diluent, or line. Since ang replace natin ay diluent, so we have to select diluent. And then, mapapansin nyo, ang na-read ng volume of amount is 231 ml na lang. Pero actually, mababa na yan. And then, card activate. Then, click. Ayan. Kita nyo, nagkaroon na ng sound na na-acknowledge na yung amount na reagent, which is 20 ml or, I mean, 20,000 ml. Okay? Or 20 liters. Parang ganun. And then, so, nandiyan na siya. Ang next move is replace. Okay? Ayan. $20 liters or 20,000 ml. So, medyo matagal ng konti yung processing. Hintayin lang natin na ma-fully ma-acknowledge niya yung reagent. So, from the start, nilagay natin yung buffer A and B. Mauna muna yung buffer A, sunod buffer B, and then shake yung diluent. Mahaba yan.